Welcome to my channel, Earnside, where I share beginner-friendly strategies to earn online using AI tools and smart automation. If you want to start making money online in 2025 without design skills, coding, or a big budget, this video is for you. I'll show you how to use two powerful AI tools, Recraft and ChatGPT, to create and sell custom icons online even if you've never designed anything before. These tools are free to start, beginner-friendly, and perfect for building a scalable income stream from your laptop or phone. You'll learn how to generate unique icons, write smart prompts, and position your designs for real buyers on platforms like Adobe Stock, Gumroad, and Etsy. And here's something important to know: without a subscription, images generated on Recraft are owned by Recraft, and most stock websites require full ownership to allow selling. So if you plan to sell your designs commercially, consider upgrading or using platforms that allow personal use licensing. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete system you can use to start earning online even if you're starting from zero. Let's start with Recraft AI, a free AI design platform that lets you create stunning icons, illustrations, and graphics in seconds. You don't need any design experience. Just type what you want, and Recraft turns your idea into clean, professional visuals. For example, you can type minimalist coffee cup icon in flat style, and Recraft will generate multiple versions instantly. You can customize the style, color, and format perfect for selling on marketplaces like Adobe Stock, Gumroad, or Etsy. But here's something important to know: without a paid subscription, the images you generate are owned by Recraft. That means most stock websites won't let you sell them unless you have full ownership rights. So if you're serious about selling, consider upgrading your account or using platforms that allow personal use licensing. The key is to create icons that solve a real need, like business logos, app icons, or niche illustrations for bloggers and creators. I'll show you how to generate your first icon, export it in high quality, and prepare it for upload to a marketplace. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning with AI, and it's completely free to try. Next up is ChatGPT, and it's much more than just a chatbot. In 2025, creators are using ChatGPT to write product descriptions, generate marketing content, and even come up with smart prompts for design tools like Recraft. For example, instead of thinking up icon ideas manually, you can ask ChatGPT, "Give me 10 icon ideas for a coffee shop brand in minimalist style," and it'll give you a full list instantly. You can also ask it to write SEO-friendly descriptions for your icons, like, write a product description for a flat-style coffee cup icon for Adobe Stock. This saves time and helps your listings stand out on marketplaces. The better your prompt, the better your results, and ChatGPT makes it easy to test and refine your ideas. I'll show you how to generate prompts, descriptions, and even social media captions, all with just a few clicks. This tool is free to use, and it's a game changer for anyone selling digital products online. Now that you've created your icons and written your descriptions, let's talk about where to sell them. There are three main platforms I recommend for beginners: Adobe Stock, Creative Market, and Etsy. Adobe Stock is great for passive income. You upload your icons, add metadata, and earn every time someone downloads. Creative Market is more curated, but if your icons are high quality and well presented, you can build a strong brand and charge premium prices. Etsy is perfect for bundles. You can package 50 or 100 icons together and sell them as digital downloads. You'll need a PayPal or bank account to get paid, and each platform has its own payout schedule. You've now seen how to create icons with Recraft, write content with ChatGPT, and explore platforms where you can sell your work. This system is beginner-friendly, and you don't need any advanced skills to get started. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Earnside. I share tutorials every week on AI tools, automation, and online earning strategies. More videos are coming soon, and grow your digital income step by step. Thanks for watching, and remember, consistency beats perfection. Just start, learn, and improve as you go.